One of the hard parts about being a dividend focused YouTuber is trying to appeal to the many different kinds of dividend investors out there. Well, in my attempt to do just that, welcome back to the Power 5 Stocks of the Week. Here, I'm going to be presenting the leaders each week in the following categories: dividend yield, dividend streak, dividend growth rates, 10-year returns, and the percentage off of the 52-week highs. The only requirements for consideration to be on these lists is that you have to beat the market over the past 10 years and have a dividend streak of at least 5 years. If this has your interest, let's jump right into this week's list. The company this week with the best dividend yield is Williams-Sonoma, stock ticker WSM. WSM is a quarterly payer in the consumer discretionary sector, paying $3.12 per share per year, with a forward dividend yield of 2.52%. Williams-Sonoma has been growing and paying their dividend over the last 17 years. They have a 3-year dividend growth rate of 17.72%, a 5-year dividend growth rate of 14.65%, and a payout ratio of just 22.13%. Williams-Sonoma has an ex-dividend date of January 19th and a payout date of February 24th. And a $10,000 investment in Williams-Sonoma 10 years ago, while only reinvesting the dividend since then, would have turned into $34,654.76, which is a 13.23% year-over-year return rate, comparing to the benchmark S&P 500 that turned into $32,024.52, which is a difference of $2,630.24 over just the last 10 years. The winner for the longest dividend streak this week is RPM International, stock ticker RPM. RPM is a quarterly payer in the materials sector, paying $1.68 per share per year, with a forward dividend yield of 1.94%. RPM has been growing and paying that dividend over the last 49 years, and they have a 3-year dividend growth rate of 4.74%, a 5-year dividend growth rate of 5.84%, and a payout ratio of 33.88%. RPM has an ex-dividend date of January 19th and a payout date of January 31st. And a $10,000 investment in RPM 10 years ago, while only reinvesting the dividends since then, would have turned into $35,116.72, which is a 13.38% year-over-year return rate. Again, that's compared to the S&P 500 that turned into $32,024.52, which is a difference of $3,092.20 over the last 10 years. And before we get to this last stock that actually has the best dividend growth rates, the best 10-year returns, and is the highest off of its 52-week high, please make sure you guys are hitting the like button to show your support on the video, subscribe and ring the bell so you guys don't miss any of the dividend-related content, and then comment down below and let me know which of these categories is your favorite and why. But now, let's see who earned that triple crown this week. The winner for the best dividend growth rate, 10-year returns, and highest percentage off of the 52-week high is Zoetis, stock ticker ZTS. ZTS is a quarterly payer in the healthcare sector, paying $1.50 per share per year, with a forward dividend yield of 1.02%. ZTS has been growing and paying their dividend over the last 10 years. They have a 3-year dividend growth rate of 25.61%, a 5-year dividend growth rate of 25.36%, and a payout ratio of 24.77%. At the time of recording, ZTS is 31.75% off of their 52-week high, and they have an ex-dividend date of January 19th and a payout date of March 1st. And with a single $10,000 investment in ZTS 10 years ago while only reinvesting dividends since then, that would have turned into $50,906.69, which is a 17.8% year-over-year return rate, once again compared to the S&P 500 that turned into $30,910.03, which is a difference of $19,996.66 over just the last 10 years. And as mentioned in the beginning of today's video, all the stocks I mentioned have beat the market over the past 10 years, and all of these have a dividend streak of at least 10 years as well. And I'm very curious to know what you guys think of this new series, if there's metrics you would like me to use or filters you do or do not want me to apply. So use the comments down below and let me know what you think there. And if you happen to miss my last video for the champions, challengers, and contenders that raised their dividend last week, I'll link that right here. But until next time, see ya.